Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about the best pubic hair trimmers for 2024. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now, let's get started. Number 5. Happy Nuts, the Balber Electric Groin and Body Hair Trimmer for Men. Men's Body Groomer Kit for Privates. No Nick Ball Shaver and Pubic Hair Trimmer. Color Silver. Black Hair Type. Coarse item. Weight 13.6 ounces. Brand Happy Nuts. Dual-sided ergonomic design. Dual cutting edges, making it easy to shave in either direction. The slim shape is optimal for trimming hard-to-reach areas, such as the groin area. Nut-safe blade. The 30-degree pivoting body trimmer blade is engineered for nut keeping. Say goodbye to cuts, nicks, pulling, tugging, and snags, so you can manscape with confidence. Long-lasting rechargeable battery. Talk about stamina. The lithium-ion rechargeable battery lasts up to 150 minutes to keep your body hair trimmer ready to go. IPX7 waterproof. Trim with confidence in the shower for easy cleanup. Powerful 7,000 RPM ultra-quiet motor. High power yet low vibration tames coarse body hair with ease. Our body hair trimmer for men was built for below-the-belt. Number 4. Gillette Intimate Men's Manscaped Pubic Hair Trimmer. Skin First Ball Trimmer for Men. Waterproof, cordless for wet-dry use. Electric shaver for men. Lifetime sharp blades. Manscaping body groomer. Brand Gillette. Recommended uses for product grooming, shaving, trimming. Special feature: waterproof. Power source: battery powered. Included components: battery, charger. Versatile pubic hair trimmer. Gentle pubic hair trimmer includes 2 attachable protective combs, a sensitive comb and an adjustable sliding comb, 3 to 11 millimeters, to fit your specific grooming needs. 1 soft bag included, designed to minimize irritation, tough on hair and gentle on skin. This dermatologist-tested pubic trimmer features Skin First technology that uses closely spaced blades, designed to minimize nicks, cuts, and shaving irritation. Waterproof and cordless. Get up to 100 minutes of cordless trimming with the powerful Li-ion rechargeable battery in a waterproof design for in-shower use. Quiet and lightweight design. Quiet and easy-to-use cordless shaver has a lightweight design and a non-slip handle to give you the optimal maneuvering and precision when grooming your intimate areas. During your manscaping routine, caring for your trimmer. Clean your electric trimmer after every use by running it under hot water and allowing it to air dry. No replacement blades needed. Number 3. Philips Norelco Body Groom Series 7000 Showerproof Body and Manscaping Trimmer and Shaver. BG703049. Color Black. Hair Type All Brand. Philips Norelco Power Source. Battery powered. The Body Groom has unique rounded blades that help protect sensitive areas and reach hard-to-reach places. With a unique 2-sided design, you can shave or trim any length of hair in all body zones, including the most sensitive ones. This body groomer has 5 adjustable lengths and an ergonomic grip to give you full choices on your style and comfort. This 2-sided body groomer can be used wet or dry, giving you the freedom and comfort to choose what best suits your styling needs. With the ergonomic grip, you can trim or shave in any direction, wet or dry, always with the maximum control and precision. Powerful lithium battery delivering 80 minutes cordless use after 1 hour full charge. Because it is shower-proof, cannot be used while charging. International voltage, 110 to 220 volts. Includes 2-sided premium designed body groomer. Worldwide volt. Number 2. Panasonic Body Groomer for Men and Women. Unisex wet-dry cordless electric body hair trimmer with 2 comb attachments. Multi-directional shaving in sensitive areas, GKADS. Black. Special feature: ergonomic design. Wet-dry shave. Cordless waterproof. Power source: battery-powered. Model name: ear and nose hair trimmer. A safe, powerful trimmer for everyone. Unique V-shaped head, robust motor, and gentle touch to trim and groom safely and effectively anywhere on the body. Protect even your most sensitive areas. Skin protective blade technology helps reduce skin irritation on thin, delicate skin and glides around every curve, while trimming. 2 attachments for precise trimming. Skin guard safely trims sensitive areas like armpits, bikini area, and groin. Adjustable comb attachment uniformly trims hair on chest, legs, arms, and more. Trim hard-to-reach areas with ease. Ergonomic, eye-shaped body design for total control, and unique V-shaped head to trim in narrow and complicated places, such as the back, groin, and buttocks. Wet-dry genderless groomer charges fast and travels easily. Comfortably groom in or out of the shower, Quick full charge in just one. Number 1. Manscaped Electric Groin Hair Trimmer. The Lawnmower 4.0. Replaceable skin-safe ceramic blade heads. Waterproof wet-dry clippers. Rechargeable, wireless charging ultimate male hygiene razor brand. Manscaped recommended uses for product: back hair, groin. Adi special feature: cordless rechargeable waterproof wireless power source. Battery-powered included components: the Lawnmower 4.0, 2 adjustable guards, wireless charging base, rated USB Type-C cable, cleaning brush. Instruction manual: the Lawnmower 4.0, 2 adjustable guards, wireless charging base, rated USB Type-C cable, cleaning brush. Instruction manual. What is the Lawnmower 4.0? Welcome to the newest and latest in below-the-waist trimming. The Lawnmower 4.0 from Manscaped is the only electric body hair groomer you need to keep your manhood looking trim, neat, and clean. Soft ceramic blades featuring advanced skin-safe technology ensures confidence while trimming below the waist. Features: benefits. This next-level male trimmer is cordless, waterproof, and includes a wireless charging dock for ultimate convenience. It also comes with adjustable trimming guard sizes 1 to 4 for different hair lengths. No matter what length you choose, you can be sure to get an even trim. Plus, the Lawnmower 4.0 features rust-proof ceramic snap-in blades for hygiene and sharpness. Groin, body, and back. Our trimmers were designed for below-the-waist grooming, but work great on your not-so-private parts too. With our skin-safe replaceable blade, you can have multiple blades ready for all body areas with hair. Feel more confident, comfortable, and healthy with a total grooming experience. How to use. Before initial use, fully charge your trimmer. While charging, the tri-level LED unit will blink. When ready to use, all 3 levels will be solid. Then you're good to use your trimmer for up to 90 minutes. To use the travel lock feature, 3 rapid clicks of the multifunction on-off switch will engage or disengage the lock. Protect your purchase to keep you and your Lawnmower 4.0 working optimally. Make sure to change out your blades regularly to keep them sharp, clean, and rust-free.